All right, morning guys. So today on the chopping block, a few different things. Sorry if my fan's too loud. So last night, tire blew. Don't even look flat, but I promise it is. So I'm gonna go pick up my buddy Jay, shout out to him. He's got some stock FRS wheels. Just gonna go ahead and throw them on the front for now. Obviously it's gonna look stupid, but I don't care. New tires will be here on Monday, so that's 2 days from today. Yeah, so I'll probably try to move this over, make some more room in here, and then we're gonna pull the dreaded Hellcat in here because she's not happy. Not happy at all. So right now the battery is dead, so I got my little jump starter. I'm gonna go jump it. I'll show you guys what the startup sounds like because it's ridiculous. So got to get that in here and get it fixed. All right, guys, got everything hooked up. Give it a start. About to wake up the neighborhood because this thing pops now that it's misfiring. So. Sounds fucking terrible. Well, that was the first time it's done that to me. Let's see how that goes. All right, guys, got it started. The engine sounds healthy. I had to delete some codes. I think that's maybe why it was running really, really weird besides being dead. Y'all can probably hear this rattle back here. If you got a Hellcat or a Charger or a Challenger that has active exhaust, you already know what that noise is. I tried to do like a little at-home delete with some safety wire, but it didn't hold, so just gonna go ahead and delete that once I figure out what the oil leak is, and then see if we got any actual problems, electrical or something like that with this car. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in and pull it into the garage. Sounds terrible from inside, but you know, it is what it is. All right, raise the car up. Which actually I can't do that because this remote is actually kind of messed up. I know it's the remote because I switched it with the fucking 86 over there. So, all right, well, all I'm gonna do is just back it into the garage and then we'll do a little video and then I'm gonna go get my wheels. So, all right, well, car's in here, does not sound too good. You can feel the engine shaking a little bit, so you know, if you're a real car guy, you can pretty much tell when something's wrong with the car. So I do smell a lot of fuel. The car does run rich, but I'm wondering if maybe I have a stuck injector. It's just dumping excess fuel. I don't know, but I think first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect the battery so it doesn't keep dying, put it on the trickle charger, pull up valve covers, probably get these coil packs out, and then pull these spark plugs and see what we're doing with. So I'll probably do a time lapse of all that. Might not get us to it today. I'm gonna go edit some pictures of this, go pick up these wheels. I'll take you on the ride along when I go get the wheels though. All right, what's up guys? So we are removing the valve covers right now. What we're actually doing today is I'm gonna pull out the spark plugs, check them out. I got a misfire, it's kind of awkward. It's not throwing a code for a misfire, but I can feel the misfire. So we're gonna check it out. I'll do a little, I guess, how-to because this thing is a pain to get to the coil packs. It's terrible. So, but yeah. All right, guys. So I'm still getting used to this Pocket 3, but what we're doing today is we're gonna go ahead and take out the coil packs. I'm gonna try and vlog all this. This is gonna be a YouTube video. But anyways, I don't know if you can see down in there. That bolt right there, that's a 10 millimeter. And these are all 8s. I replaced this coil pack already. So, but yeah, she's a little dirty, she's dusty. She's been sitting outside over there for like forever. You see all my
flex fuel kit wiring harness in there. That's why it looks like that. Shout out to them. E-Flex Pro right there. All right, anyways, so we're gonna pull these out. I don't know if anyone has a Dodge out there that's watching this video, but if you've ever taken out your core packs, it is a freaking disaster. So there is little red clips. Try and get down in there. Right there. There's little red clips on all of them. Actually broke it on this first one. That's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna pop those clips off. I like to just use a flathead. Yeah, so not really gonna be able to record it, but I'll set you down somewhere and let you watch. All right, I'll let you guys have a little sneak peek at my layer where all the magic goes down in here. In case you guys didn't know, everything done to my vehicles, besides the tuning, has all been done by me. So that's one of the things I take pride in, is doing all my own work. Yeah, I mean, I have a hand every now and then, friends helping me out. But yeah, so right now I'm trying to find my, there it is. See, always leaving tools around everywhere. So like I said, you're gonna need a 10, an 8. Probably gonna use a swivel and an extension just to get in there. It's easier to do. I don't think I need one this big, but whatever. All right, go back over here now. I don't know how I'm gonna cut these up, make them shorter and stuff, but whatever, we'll figure it out. So got all that. Probably gonna be very long videos for no reason, but whatever. Cool. All right, I'm gonna set y'all down somewhere. I guess right there. All right, y'all ain't gonna be able to see much, but probably see my ugly face. All right. So I don't know if y'all can hear that click. That's the red tabs coming off of here. There we go. And that one doesn't have one. All right, guys, I'm sorry, I lied to you. It's been a while since I took this car apart. Everything on there is like 8s. But I lied. These are actually, they're all 10s. I guess they just look a little different to me. But yeah, they're all 10s, so you don't need an 8. But yeah, 10s. This side is gonna be a pain to get to. I don't know if you can see that black line right there, our hose. That actually goes to the flex fuel kit. And it's all runs like right on top of where I need to get into. So, I don't know. I'll go ahead and pull them out, or start to pull them out. Show you guys me pulling them out or whatever, but yeah. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I very much enjoy Harbor Freight because they got all kinds of stuff pretty cheap. Like these right here, these are fender covers. About to throw them on the car just because just wrapped it not too long ago, so I'm not really trying to mess it up with anything. And they're magnetic, so it's pretty cool. Let's plop this on here. Oh, that one fell down, whatever. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but whatever. All right. Cool. Let's throw this up there like that. Saves us scratches too. All right, this one on here. Cool. Yeah, these are pretty cheap. I think it was like 10 bucks, 10 or 15 bucks for 2 of them. So, and then this is plastic, so nothing's gonna stick to it. Normally I put this on there. Oh, normally I put this on here, but oh well. All right, all right. Well, I took out the intake because it gives me better room to get in here to unplug this. So, yep. All right, so it's probably been like an hour and a half. I got the driver's side coil packs out. Had to take off that, unbolt some stuff. This is why it's a fucking nightmare. Bitch. All right, anyways. This is why it's a nightmare to get the coil packs out. There's no room. There's a coil pack right there. You have to like do it sideways to get it out. So yeah. So here's the problem with Mopars. Like I said, with the other one, there's no fucking room in here. There actually used to be a plastic cover on this thing, but I took it off and then just zip tied everything together because there was no room. But now, I gotta figure out how to get this out of there, which is almost impossible. Alright guys, so it's like 8 hours later. Not really, but they're all out. You ever have to do this? I hope you, honestly, it's probably easier to take it out. To be completely honest. But it's a pain in the ass. But yeah, now we're gonna pull the spark plugs out. And hopefully that's the problem, because if not, then I'm just gonna have to pull the engine.
I'm doing all the work.
He hasn't done a thing.
Unpaid fucking labor.
He hasn't done anything. He can't even hand me a fucking tool. Oh. Hey, come here. Having fun? Alright, moving on to the first cylinder. Yeah. So, pulled out the first plug. I don't know if it'll focus. Stop. There we go. There's no gap between that. These were gapped before, so I don't know if maybe it got hot, something like that. Kind of hard to see, but so far that's the first cylinder. Dodges have 2 per cylinder. This one's still gapped. Probably needs to be re-gapped. Probably just gonna get all new spark plugs anyway. But yeah, that's what we found with the first cylinder. So. Hey, what are you doing? Working on your car? All right. Well, good news. Hopefully this is the problem. You want to tell them what we found today?
That spark plug.
Yep. Only one. So these are all out of the passenger side. They're all good. I mean, a little worn, but I mean, nothing bad for what it's been through. So, also, by the way, when you go to take your coil packs out, it's a lot easier if you unbolt your supercharger coolant reservoir, and then there's a little push pin right there that goes into this little bar. Push that out, because now, what I was fighting for hours, I don't have to fight anymore. So probably did not make sense to pull the engine if you can't get them out, but cool. So, like I already showed you guys, cylinder 1, the first spark plug was actually touching itself. I already showed you guys that. Wait a minute. Pause. All right, so anyways, let me see. I think it's this one right here, because it's darker. All right. Nope, not that one. I lied. This one? Where the fuck did it go? It's definitely noticeable. Probably this one because it's clean. Nope. God damn it. All right, anyways, after I go through all thousands of these. Ah, here we go. All right. So I don't know how close I'll be able to get, but as you can see, it is touching it. So could I realistically re-gap it? Probably. Am I going to? No. I'm just going to replace these two because I'm broke. And it needs an oil change too, so all at one time. But yeah, so we are going to take, I don't really know what you call this thing. Guess we'll, yeah, that thing. It's actually the dependent mobile, but anyways. So yeah. But yeah, we're going to go get new spark plugs. I'm gonna throw the passenger side plugs back in. Just go ahead and do that. And then hopefully that'll be the end of this video. Hopefully. All right guys, so we got all the old spark plugs out. Re-gapped them, make sure they're good. Got the 2 new ones right here. And then your 2 old ones right here. So we are going to see what happens I'm gonna throw them all back in there, and hopefully we got some good stuff going on. So I'll show you guys next. All right, guys. So we got all the coil packs in, all the spark plugs torqued down. So this thing's almost ready to go. All I gotta do is throw the intake back on. Probably just leave the engine covers off for now, and then reconnect the battery and give it a start up to see what happens. When I start it, you're gonna hear rattling. Like I said, it's active exhaust. I just don't feel like getting underneath it right now and taking the valve out, so I'm just gonna do that. All right, guys. Battery hooked back up. Got everything put back together. Ignore the jack. This airbag leaks a little bit. I already tried to fix it. Don't care. All right, everything's back together. So now the moment of truth is, will it start? So let's see. If it doesn't start, it's probably because the battery's dead. I haven't had it sitting on the charger too long, so I might have to get my jump box, which is right there, but we'll see. Yeah, okay. This thing's dead. So, I'm gonna hook up the jump box real quick. Once I get it put on, and then I'll show you from there. All right, guys, jump box is on. Let's see. This thing must be really, really dead. So I think we're good. Nice. Only one true way to test it. One true way to test the longevity of this car. Well, I say she is good to go. So, thought I blew it up, but I didn't. So, cool. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, this is gonna be the new norm. So I'm gonna start doing all kinds of stuff. Starlight headliners in there. Cool. The cat is back. Wide cat is fucking back.